Good morning, on and all present here. I am Nandini D, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a subject on database management systems, a topic on XML module. What is an XML? XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. It is mainly designed to store the data and transport the data. It mainly focuses on data structures. It is not for presentation use. It is self-descriptive and we uses user-defined tags have been used here. The platform has been independent and it supports a data sharing mode and it supports an hierarchical tree structure because it is easy to understand have a tree-like structure. Extensible users in web services and applications, easy to read and write by both humans and machines. We can be validated using DTD or XML schemas. The ability to specify new tags and to create a nested tags. That means within a tag we can create another nested tag which is a structure that is helps in XML with great to exchange the data and not just a documentation. For example, we are having a note has been defined. Inside that two has been opened, allies has been declared and the two has been closed, /2 has been ended. Then from, it is from Bob and the from has been closed. Next date on which 5/5/25 it has been closed. And the message, hello, how are you? The message has been closed and the note has been closed. The explanation here is we have all, it has a sender information, it has a receiver information, it has a header headings and it also has a message body. So this is a complete XML program we define here. Next one, in it we can also see that what is the difference between XML and HTML. There are some differences between XML and HTML. XML is designed to carry out the data, but HTML was not designed to carry out the data. It is used to display the data. The XML is not predefined, but HTML is a predefined tag. Here, interchanging of data or networks is a critical one. For example, we are going for a bank or we are doing many fund transaction here. So, ordering process, especially intercompany orders, scientific data orders, chemical data orders, generical, biosequential markup languages. That means one by one a markup language is being decided and it is being carried out. So, the flow of a paper and the information that gets organized which we can replace in an electrical flow of information. Each application area has its own set of standards so that the representation of information is clear and cohesive. Next one, it consists of an XML that means which is a new generation data interchange formats. So this extensible markup language, it means an extensible, so we can extend whatever we need. We need to change anything, we can change it. So this new generation formats have been changed. Then there are some types of some situations. First one you can see in an early generation format were based on a plain text. First when this XML was designed, it was designed as a plain text with line headers which include meaning of the fields. Fields will be in a meaningful manner. The email headers will be there. Next one, what type of language we are using, what level of documentation we are using, what lines we are using, what line spaces we are using, this and all will be declared there. Next one, each XML based standard defines what are valid elements. So in this we are going to see which are the valid elements. XML type specification languages to specify the syntax. We have seen earlier what is DTD. This DTD stands for document type descriptors. Next one is an DML schema. DML schemas are of sometimes that we can see in the XML schema video. Next one is a plus textual description of the semantics. So how these textures have been designed, how it is being semantically used, these are being shown here. Next one, XML allows new tags to be defined as required. For example, if we are declaring anything, we are saying as example, we are opening that example and closing that example. Inside that example, we are declaring something like 1, 2, 3, 4 like that inside the brackets. So whatever we are opening, we must be closing in XML. XML allows new tags to be defined as required. So a wide variety of tools available for parsing, browsing, querying. So whatever we need, we can browse it. Whatever we need, we can parse it. Whatever we need, we can query it. Next one, structure of XML data. So first one will be a tag labeled for a section of data. So this defines that we must open a bracket, we can say as tag, and we should close that tag. Next one will be an element. Section of data begin with the tag name and end with the matching bar tag name. These elements must be properly nested. Proper nesting will be course, whatever title we need. So what is the course? Inside the course we are opening a title. That title has been closed and the overall course has been closed. Then improper nesting. Improper nesting means we are opening the course, we are opening the title, but we are not closing the title, we are closing the course. So this format is an improper nesting and we cannot get the exact output in this XML format. The next one is formally. Every start tag must have a unique matching end tag. That is in the context of same parent elements. Every document must be having a single top level element. So these are all the structures and preferences that we use in here. So this XML stands for Extensible Markup Language, which is stored and retrieved. So these are the things that we come to know here. So we have a sender information, receiver information, header information, and message body. So likewise, what are the flows we are using here? How is this being nested? Like that we have seen everything. Thank you so much for the video.